A shocking case of murder has been reported in Telangana. Daylight murder took place in full public view. A man could be seen in this video attacking another person. The entire episode was captured on camera, but there was nobody who came forward to help the victim. Well, the incident has been reported from Hanamkonda in Telangana. My colleague Uma Sudhir is getting us more on that. Take a look.
So this incident happened around 11:40 in this morning when two auto drivers, Venkateshwarlu and Rajkumar, got into an argument. It appears that it was over a suspected illegal affair, that both of them were interested in one woman and they had some dispute over it. And on camera, we can see the videos of Venkateshwarlu actually chasing Rajkumar, and for quite a while that chase seems to happen, at least for a few, almost for 40 seconds or so, and there are people around who are kind of following it and even capturing it on camera. There's only one single man who seems to be trying to intervene to try and stop this Venkateshwarlu from stabbing Rajkumar, but that happens, and subsequently we have other videos which show Rajkumar actually lying on the road bleeding, and you can see that he is alive in some of the videos, and all the focus seems to be on peering at him, looking at whether he is alive or dead, and also beating up Venkateshwarlu, who is the assaulter in this case, who is the murderer in this case. I spoke to some senior police officials in Hanamkonda, and they said that it was one of the policemen who was passing that area who happened to then come here, intervene, and then shift Rajkumar to the hospital, and where he was declared as brought dead. What is shocking, Osama, is that while all of them are watching what is happening, even catching the action, so to speak, on camera, and then trying to assault and argue with the murderer in this case, and also trying to beat him up if possible, but no one really trying to either stop the assault itself, stop the murder, or shift this injured man to the hospital. And that is why I think it is very tragic and shocking, almost as though murder here has become a spectator sport in which people are only shouting out instructions or reacting to what's happening, but no one willing to come forward and either stop the crime or to shift the injured man to the hospital. That could have really saved his life. Intervention from multiple people perhaps could have saved the life of this man.